Hello Transurfer and welcome to TransurfingTV. I am Renee Garcia and this is one of our 78 days of practical transurfing. We are already at day 49 and wow, I'm almost finished with my goal. I wanted to do the full 78 days and I am well on my way. So with that, I will get started, but first remember I pull winners randomly each day to win a stack of my reprogramming stickers mailed directly to your house. Comment below I love Reality Transurfing and like this video and watch it, and I just might pull your name to win some of these. With that, I will get started. Day 49, Extinguishing the Pendulum. Be prepared for the pendulums to provoke you. When you find yourself in an unpleasant situation or when you receive bad news, you are naturally thrown off of balance. In the standard scenario, you ought to be worried, be afraid, run away, lose heart, or express your dissatisfaction or irritation. Now, do the opposite. Offer an abnormal response. Smash the script and try substitution. Replace fear with confidence, despondency with enthusiasm, indignation with indifference, and irritation with joy. The essence of the pendulum game is to pull you off of balance. You have to break the rules of the game intentionally. Do whatever you like, just as long as it is not what people expect, and then victory will be yours. Oh my God, don't you love it? Vadim Zeland's interpretation. Pendulums feed on human energy. For example, when something makes you angry, you express your fury and give your energy away to the pendulum. The pendulums provoke everything, which could potentially evoke strong negative emotions. When you come across some unfortunate circumstance and react by getting irritated, there is a continuation and the negative situation develops in the same spirit, or new unpleasant situations arise. That is how the pendulum swings. You swing the pendulum yourself when you accept the game imposed on you. Behave differently. Either don't react at all or respond in the opposite way altogether, and then you will still the pendulum's way. You will sway the pendulum's way. You will still sway the pendulum's way. Your task is to introduce a different game, your own game, by reacting in an abnormal manner. The sole principle here lies in the fact that when you swing with a different frequency to the resonant frequency, a dissonance is set up between you and the pendulum, which causes the pendulum to stop swinging in relationship to your energy, as a result of which it will leave you alone. Okay, this is good. This is really good. My video on racism that I just gave talked about, I think it was a few weeks ago now, but this is going to play, talked about the script and how the script is what actually harms us. A script that is headed in a direction that is not good for us or against our intentions. And the way that we get caught on this script is via a pendulum, right? So the pendulum is the entity that pulls us energetically onto this script via our emotion, right? Via our negative emotion primarily. So anytime you sense yourself being triggered emotionally, you feel anger or rage or disappointment or any kind of upset or anxiety, anything that you could deem a negative emotion, you are getting hooked by a pendulum, and that pendulum is going to swing you off of your current state of being onto a script where more of those things await you, more of the things resonating at that frequency. So I just had it happen to me yesterday. I had my air conditioning go out, okay? I had my dog diagnosed with infections in both ears from swimming, and I myself got a pill stuck in my esophagus, which kind of burned a hole in me, and now I feel like I have a mild ulcer or something. And I thought, well, you know, this sucks. Why is all this stuff happening? And I didn't quite realize it until it was pointed out to me that I sort of started to attract a bunch of things because one thing happened that I latched onto negatively, and therefore those events at that frequency started to increase exponentially in my layer of reality. This is exactly how it happens. And I know this sounds kind of complex, but it's actually very, very simple. If you are in a positive state, tune in to anything that is trying or attempting or leading you to a place where you are going away, you know, merging away from that positive state into a negative state of being. This is all you have to focus on as a transurfer, is keeping that frequency high, because it's with that high frequency that you highlight a sector of reality that is your chosen sector, and you must just maintain awareness of the pendulum's tricks, what they're trying to do to you, how they get you, and of course, how to keep yourself upright and keep that from happening. So the next one, day 50, the pendulums flop. This is going to be what happens after you do this, right? After the pendulum has sort of been defeated and it no longer ceases to exist in your layer of reality. So make sure you tune in for that one, and remember to like this video and comment below. I love reality transurfing to win some of these. Thanks for watching my video, everyone. Bye.